Chia seeds enticing health benefits. Chia seeds are known as superfood. Although chia seeds are small, they are packed with nutrients. Because of its similar texture and nutritional benefits, chia seeds are frequently confused with basil seeds. Chia seeds contain antioxidants, minerals, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids that may help healthy bones, heart health, and blood sugar regulation. Here are a few health benefits of chia seeds, all supported by science. Extremely nutritious. The plant 𝗨𝗞𝗂𝗧𝗨𝗞𝗛 produces tiny black or white seeds called chia seeds. Just 1 ounce, 28 grams or 2 tablespoons, of chia seeds has calories, 138, protein, 4.7 grams, fat, 8.7 grams, alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, 5 grams, carbs, 11.9 grams, fiber, 9.8 grams, 14% of the daily value for calcium, 12% of the iron, 23% of the magnesium, 20% of the phosphorus, 12% of zinc, thiamine, vitamin B1, 15% of niacin, vitamin B3. Considering that this nutritional benefits is for just 1 serving of around 2 tablespoons, it is rather impressive. Loaded with antioxidants. Antioxidants are another great benefit of chia seeds. The particular antioxidants in chia seeds have anti-cancer qualities in addition to protecting your heart and liver, so remember to add spoonful of chia seeds in your breakfast bowl to prevent skin damage and early signs of aging. Could help with weight loss. Protein and fiber in chia seeds have both been proved to help in weight loss. 2 tablespoons full of chia seeds can give you 40% of fiber required for a day. Consume lemon water and chia seeds in the morning are excellent for weight loss. 1 glass of lemon water in the morning can burn minimum 6 calories of energy. Soak half teaspoon of chia seeds in water overnight or for an hour in the morning. Take a glass of warm water. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon honey, mixed well, and now add 1 spoon of soaked chia seeds. Drink it on an empty stomach. It may reduce your risk of heart disease. A small number of human trials discovered that chia seed supplements dramatically reduced blood pressure in persons with hypertension, or high blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for heart disease. Contains a variety of vital bone nutrients. Chia seeds are high in a variety of elements that are beneficial to bone health, including calcium, phosphorus, magnesium. Chia seeds are not only high in minerals, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber, but they are also simple to prepare. According to research, they provide a variety of health benefits ranging from weight loss to a lower chance of heart disease. Consider introducing chia seeds into your diet if you want to reap the potential benefits. They go well in smoothies, porridge, yogurt, and many more. So now you know how beneficial these tiny seeds are. Add this superfood to your daily diet to gain maximum benefits. How to use chia seeds for weight loss. Adding chia seeds to water is one of the simplest ways to incorporate them into your diet. Soak 1/4 cup chia seeds in 4 cups water for 20 to 30 minutes to make chia water. You can flavor your drink by adding chopped fruit or squeezing in a lemon, lime. Energy chia seed drink for weight reduction is a low-carb, high-protein drink that is ideal for individuals looking to lose weight. To aid in weight loss, the protein boosts metabolism and regulates blood sugar levels. This drink is best consumed on an empty stomach in the morning or between meals. Please share any more chia seed benefits you are aware of. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and remember to like, share, and subscribe.